Have you ever wondered how wire is turned into the strong, durable welded wire mesh that is used in countless applications? Join us as we take you behind the scenes to explore WireClothMan's welded wire mesh manufacturing process. First, we input the custom wire mesh specifications into the wire mesh slaughter program. This program communicates the necessary information to the welder, allowing us to begin the setup process and efficiently create your specific part. With the program configured, we adjust key settings on the welder, including the wire tracks, welding electrodes, grippers, and wire feeding devices. These manual adjustments ensure precision and quality in the final product. Once the setup is complete, we load the wire into the long wire feeding device and the cross wire feeding device. Next, the long wire feeder is programmed to dispense each wire according to the desired specifications, guiding them into the correct wire tracks. Once the wires are positioned, they move into place under the electrodes to begin the welding process. As you can see from inside the welding machine, the cross wire is welded on top of the long wire. This welded mesh is also being supported by our yellow lower mesh rails, which help support the mesh, allowing it to easily run through the machine. The mesh is also held in place by a small metal clamp called a gripper, which works in tandem with the lower mesh rails to guide the mesh seamlessly through the process. After all the cross wires are welded to the long wires, the finished welded mesh exits the machine as a complete product. Now that we have covered how welded mesh is made, let's talk to our welding operations manager to cover what the benefits of welded mesh are.
So here at WireClothMan, we've been dealing with welded mesh for decades, and we've really been able to see the different applications, the processes on how it's used, so that we can supply what we need to for our customers. So when it comes to welded mesh, we choose welded mesh because it allows the product to hold for longevity and for strength over longer periods of time. You have a more durability when it comes to different applications and use. When it comes to welded mesh, you might have a lot of questions on its application. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or to reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.